How to fix Google Meet presentation lag on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Meet presentation lag on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here type Meet and click on it, then click force stop. Now go to storage, clear cache, and after that go back and then go to battery, and here enable performance mode, and if you found it here enable it, and if you didn't found it just make sure power saving mode is disabled, don't enable it, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that also doesn't fix your problem, click display and brightness and then screen resolution, make sure it's low, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.